Kristu Jayanti College, in collaboration with National Institute of Advanced Studies and KAS India Office, organized a one-day national workshop on the war in Ukraine, regional and global fallouts.
The welcome speech was delivered by Dr. S.J. Michael, Head of Department of Social Science and Languages, followed by prelude of the event was given by Professor D. Subhachandran, who, in a nutshell, gave a gist of 7 major changes that have taken place. He concluded by stating how world order is going to evolve or is likely to evolve, being the primary subject of discussion.
Principal Reverend Father Augustine George delivered the inaugural address. The workshop was divided into 3 sessions. In session 1, the panel consisted of young intellects, Dr. Shreya Upadhyay, Dr. Mohammad Sirajuddin, Dr. Himani Pant. The panel discussants were Dr. Padmashri Anandan and Dr. Gopakumar A.V., Dean Faculty of Humanities.
In session 2, the presentations were done by Dr. Arish Karamala, Miss Angeline Archana. The panel discussants present were Dr. S.J. Michael and Mr. Ashwin Dhanabalan.
Finally, in session 3, the presenters were Dr. Dibangana Chatterjee, Dr. K. Ravishankar. The panel discussants present for the session were Dr. Baba Gnanakumar and Ms. Rishma Banerjee.
The topics discussed were Russia's strategies towards US, what's next for Russia and Europe, and many such more. The workshop ended with a thank you speech delivered by Father Deepu, Mrs. Ramya B., Head Department of History, and Ms. Padmashri Anandan, Research Associate, NIAS.
Such panel discussions play an important role in enlightening us with the current issues and how it impacts us.